Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the right dictionary and opening it where guide words appear at the top. Make sure to use alphabetical order as your roadmap. If a word is far along, flip forward rather than scanning every page. Once you find the pair of guide words that bracket your target, move down the page line by line until you locate the head word. This first action saves time and sets you up to read the entry accurately. Do it deliberately and confidently. You now inspect the entry components one by one so you understand meaning and use. Start with part of speech and pronunciation so you know how the word functions and sounds. Then read the numbered definitions in order because the primary sense is listed first. Make sure to study example sentences and any collocations to see real usage. Also pay attention to labels such as formal or slang, and consult etymology or cross-references for nuance. This helps you pick the correct sense. You finish by selecting the sense that matches how you intend to use the word and then make a quick record. Write down the pronunciation, part of speech, and one clear example sentence in your own words so the meaning sticks. Once done, plan a short review. Use a flashcard or a sentence practice to reinforce memory. If something seems unclear, cross-check another dictionary or example sentence. That troubleshooting step prevents mistakes and confirms your understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.